So in the question we have, it is boiling point of oxygen is minus 183 degrees Celsius. And we need to find the temperature in Fahrenheit, approximate temperature in Fahrenheit. So we need to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. We know C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 9, 2 9s, 2 5s. So temperature is given in Celsius, that is minus 183 degrees Celsius. Minus 183 by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Now we'll cross multiply. Minus 183 into 9 is equal to 5 into F minus 32. Minus 183 into 9 is 27. 1647 is equal to 5F minus 160. 5 into 32 is 160. This is minus. So minus 1647 plus 160 is equal to 5F. Minus 1647 plus 160, it is minus 1487, which is equal to 5F. So temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to minus 1487 by 5. So they're asking the approximate value. So it is, you will get it as 297.4 or something. But you can approximate it to minus 297 degree Fahrenheit. So the option is B.